Traveling to paradise is amazing! Said your hair never.
Your hair's crazy.
What do? Ooh, I got you. Hey guys, it's me, Andrea. Traveling to tropical locations is worth every single penny, but you might find that the hot, humid weather does not agree with your hair, or the fact that they use different voltages in some places, so basically all your tools are rendered useless. But that is all good because I have a versatile 2-in-1 hairstyle that I use. So you go from this elegant look to curly sex pot. What's really cool, you don't need any hair tools for this, just hairspray, small rubber bands, and a solid amount of bobby pins. For style, I like to call my Grecian low bun. Part your hair. I suggest parting your hair differently from your normal part. So I part my hair to the left, so I'm gonna do this in the center. Why? Because when you take out the braids for the heatless curl, changing the part can hide roots that maybe aren't as curly as the rest of it. Take 3 strands. I do a Dutch style. So outer goes underneath the middle, and outer on the other side goes under the middle. Then I grab hair from the front, join it together, and do the limbo under the middle strand. And then the back strand stays single and ready to mingle and goes underneath the middle strand. That is the Grecian lace style braid. It's half the time. Then just keep doing that. Grab hair, join it with the front strand, and go under the middle. Then take that back strand and go under the middle. Now, whenever you're doing sides of your hair, you want to try to get as close to your part as possible. This might seem really weird when you're doing it on yourself, but trust me, it looks super weird when there's a huge gap in the middle of your hair, and it makes your curl more even. Keep going until you get to the very last end. It doesn't matter if it's uneven or looks kind of weird, you can totally hide that. Then you're gonna do the other side. Take a strand, go underneath the middle, take the outer strand, go underneath the middle, and keep on going close to their part. I chose to do this as a Grecian lace braid because they're faster. I do a whole video on why it's faster, but you could also do this with the French or French Dutch braid. If you don't know the difference of that, I also got a video on that. I take one side and roll it into a kind of bun. Now, if you have long hair like me, you're gonna wrap it around a lot, but instead of using an elastic, I use bobby pins to pin into place to create a flat look. Then wrap the other side around into the top and bobby pin it. Then spray it. I highly suggest Provano Nevo. This shizzle stays, it will not move. I'm not gonna lie, this hairspray is not cheap. It's like 2 lattes at Starbucks, but totally worth it. Now, I like to sleep on it. To do that, you'll just undo the bobby pins. And then the next morning, undo the braids. And voila, your hair is super curly. Then you want to change the part to your normal part and spray it with that Provana. That way it keeps the curl, and it also kind of has this Beyonce effect where your hair just stays in place, so you can have like a wind machine and it just won't move. It's actually kind of cool. Super easy, 2 hairstyles in one, and the best part, each one only takes a few minutes, so you can go out and enjoy your fabulous day looking absolutely fabulous. Make sure to subscribe for more travel tricks and tips and fabulousness every Thursday. Subscribe yet?